Mostly we Indians are fans of cricket, and during this lockdown period, I thought of hosting a cricket quiz, and it is called as Ramanan's Cricket Quiz. Today, we will go into the first round of Ramanan's Cricket Quiz, and we have 4 participants. No sponsors and also 500 rupees cash voucher for winner, and for the runner, you will be getting 200 rupees cash voucher. Thank you. Are you able to see the screen, Arjun?
I know him.
5 seconds for you. Let's move on to Nambi.
Sunil Joshi.
5 points to Sunil. So 5 points to Nambi. Uday Shankar, are you there?
Yeah, it's Fakhar Zaman from Pakistan.
No, it's wrong. We'll move on to Arjun again. Arjun?
No idea.
Nambi again.
Babar Azam?
No, it's Azhar Ali.
Okay.
Next question to Uday. Uday, who is this?
Pat Simcox. Pat Simcox from South Africa.
That's correct.
He's an old player, no? Like 90s player.
He's in the 90s. He's
he was
all-rounder.
part of the first team of South Africa. After the ban, when South Africa came back, he was the first off spinner for South Africa.
Thanks for that answer.
Coach, no?
No, he's a commentator for most of the matches.
Okay.
Next to Arjun. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nambi to you.
I also don't know. Shardul Thakur.
Ramesh.
No. I also don't know.
The person who found Pat Simcox. Uday, are you on?
I think I forgot the name. He's a baseballer for Sunrisers Hyderabad, man.
Yeah, he holds the ball and he has the Sunrisers Hyderabad uniform. Of course he is.
Sorry, last auction.
Okay, the answer is Barinder Shran.
Okay. Say.
Okay.
Next one to Nambi,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bangladesh player.
Yes, Nambi, on the count of 5, 4,
Mujibur Rahman.
3, 2, 1. Uday
Yes,
Shankar,
Mujib.
can you please?
No, I'm not able to get the main name, man. He's the opener for Bangladesh.
That's perfectly correct, but the name is what I need.
I'm sorry, I'm not able to get.
Tamim.
No, your chance is gone, Nambi.
Okay.
Arjun?
Ashrafullah.
Yeah, I need a full name.
Mohammad Ashraf.
Perfect. 5 points to you, Arjun.
Oh, good.
Next to Nambi again. Nambi.
This guy. Oh, wait. No, I know him. Hold on. Shit.
Over, 5 seconds over.
Hold on.
4, 3,
Kiran
1,
Punjabi.
Ramesh.
Etmer. Shimran Etmer.
Done.
That is after 5 seconds, but
West Indies.
you, Nambi.
You can give it to him. Yeah.
Yeah, please. I just forgot the name for 5 seconds.
No.
Okay, but let us keep on to time from next question. Next to
Okay.
Ramesh.
Quiz master is so strict, man. It should be more time.
Hey, he's familiar, man. See.
Count of 5, 4, 3,
Pass it.
2, 1. Uday Shankar.
No idea.
Arjun.
Familiar.
Chanda.
No. Nambi again.
No, I didn't.
He played for Delhi Daredevils. So that's a clue, and his name is Sandeep Lamichanai. Is from Nepal.
See, Nepal player. Oh.
Okay.
Next straight question to Uday Shankar. Uday Shankar.
Yeah. Phil Hughes from Australia.
Perfect, man. 5 points to you.
He's the guy who died, right? After
Yeah.
being
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Uday Shankar என்ன பாட்டு
61.
இருக்காங்க.
The number 61 in Sydney pitch.
Exactly.
Dinima Rodriguez.
Sorry.
Jimmy Rodriguez, sir.
5 points to you, Arjun, again.
Oh, nice.
Super, super.
Next to Nambi.
Harpreet Kaur.
Wrong. Ramesh, to you.
No, just guess Mandana. Smriti Mandana, no.
Perfect. 5 points.
Oh, that's a wild guess
Confident.
actually.
We got it right.
Okay.
Next to Uday Shankar.
Ian Gold.
5 points to you, Uday.
Oh,
The last question to Arjun.
I'm missing this slide. It's not moving.
Sorry. Wait.
Arjun on the
Ramanan, I'm missing it. I'm not getting it.
1 second.
5, 4, 3, 2.
There's some internet problem. We are missing it, I think.
Nambi, to you.
Matt Leviathan, I don't know him.
Ramesh, could you please?
Shepherd?
No. Uday?
Ian Shepherd.
Keyboard.
Dicky Bird.
Correct.
Umpire.
Yeah. So that's
No, but-
start, and that's the end of the first round. Second round is straight Q&A. We will start from the east pointer first. So Ramesh will be taking the first question, and then Arjun, Nambi, and then Uday. It will also be in an infinite bounce format. For the right hand, you will get 10 points, and there are questions. So the first question to Ramesh: which New Zealander bowled the super over in 2019 World Cup final? I repeat, which New Zealander bowled the super over in 2019 World Cup final? Yeah, New Zealander bowled the 2019 super over World Cup final.
Is it a question for open question or is it for Arjun?
It is for Ramesh.
Ah.
I'm not getting his name. Forget.
Okay, pass it on to Arjun. Which New Zealander?
Neesham.
Sorry? Strong.
Jimmy Neesham.
Pass on to Nambi.
I forgot his name. Tom Latham.
No. Uday?
Trent Bolt.
Right, 10 points to Uday Shankar.
Bolta. Someone else, no?
So, the next question will be again to Ramesh. Who is the current captain of Sri Lankan ODI cricket team?
Is that for me?
No, it's for Ramesh.
Arvind Gunasekara?
No.
No.
Arjun?
No idea.
But they are changing every day, no?
Oh, that opening batsman, Vikramasinghe something.
No. He's an opening batsman, but it is not. He's not Vikramasinghe. Uday Shankar, the man with the answers.
No. I'm not able to get his name. Is it Kulasekara?
No. Actually, the captain is Diput Karunaratne.
Ah, okay. Sorry. My
The
mistake.
next question is straight question to Arjun. Arjun, who is the highest scorer of 1983 World Cup final? Give it a try, man.
Was that a question to me?
No, it is to Arjun. We'll pass it on to
Kapil Dev.
Chris Shrikant.
Correct. It's Krishnamacharya Srikanth. The second
38.
is Viv Richards. Now it's the straight question to Uday Shankar.
Yeah.
Who is the only batsman in Test cricket to score a double century and have batting average of less than 20? I repeat, who is the only Test cricketer to score a double century and have a batting average of less than 20?
Karun Nair of India.
No. Nambi, sorry, it's Ramesh turn.
Surendra Amarnath of India?
No. Nambi?
There should be some bowlers. So let's say
The guess is right.
McGrath.
No. Actually, it is Jason Gillespie. He scored a double century in his last test against Bangladesh. He came as a nice right watchman and scored 200 plus runs. This question to Ramesh. Which bowler bowled when MS Dhoni hit the winning six in 2011 World Cup finals? Which bowler bowled
I'll tell you.
when MS Dhoni hit the match-winning six in 2011 World Cup final?
Fernando?
No, Arjun.
Nuwan Kulasekara.
10 points to Arjun. Good that he is adding up some points. The next is to Nambi. Who is the Zimbabwean cricketer who shared then highest score of 194 along with Said Anwar?
Andy Flower.
Sorry? No.
Andy Flower.
No. Let's move on to Uday Shankar. Uday?
Yes. Yes, I'm there.
Yeah. The question is passed to you. Who is the Zimbabwean cricketer who shared the highest score of 194 then along with Said Anwar?
David Horton or Alistair Campbell?
No. First on to Ramesh.
Sorry.
Grant Clark?
No. Arjun?
No idea.
It is Charles Coventry. He scored 194 not out.
Oh, good.
So the next question is straight to Uday Shankar. The question is to you.
Yeah.
Which athlete with facial paralysis or Ball's palsy went on to play for Indian cricket team? Which athlete with facial paralysis or Ball's palsy went on to play for Indian cricket team?
No idea. Pass. I'm sorry.
Ramesh?
No idea.
Arjun?
Shibil Kaushika. I don't know.
No. Nambi?
Patawdi.
Sorry?
Patawdi. He had one side of his face had paralysis.
Actually, it is Rahul Sharma
Okay.
for Pune Warriors and
Okay. Leg spinner.
leg spinner. So the next question is directly to Ramesh.
Yeah.
Earlier, Duckworth-Lewis method was in action. Now it is reframed and it is called as DLS method. What does that S stand for?
Statistics?
No. Arjun?
No idea.
Can you repeat the question, please? I can't hear you.
We had Duckworth-Lewis method before and it is called as DL. Now it is reframed as DLS method. What does that S stand for? Now it is to Nambi.
System.
Sorry?
System.
No. Uday, can you take it?
S stands for score.
No, actually S stands for Stern, who is the custodian currently for this method. He just reframed it to have highest batting averages as well. So we move on to the last and final round. It is actually a who am I round. I will have 4 clues, and all these 4 clues point out to a same person. Start this question again with the least point holder, that is Ramesh. So if you can answer this in the first clue itself, you will get 20 points. But if you answer it wrong, you have negative points, you will end up getting minus 20. For the second chance, it is 17, third chance is 13, and fourth chance is 10. So if you don't take the risk in first question, I will go on again in infinite bounds and others. If someone answers wrong in the first round, they will not be able to participate in second clue. Yes, shall we go forward? Yeah. So we will start with Ramesh. The first clue. I am the first player from my country to take 10 plus wickets in a test match. Take Take a risk, Ramesh. 20 points, you will be at 25. Or else you are going for the second clue.
10 plus, can you repeat the question?
I am the first cricketer from my nation to take 10 plus wickets in a test match. Anybody else want to take a risk now?
Is there a negative now?
Sorry?
You lose 20, no? If you answer.
Do you want to give the answer?
No, if you answer wrong, you lose 20, right?
You will lose 20, yes.
Yeah. I have nothing to lose.
Okay. So then you can take risk.
No. Anyway, I don't.
No, you don't want to take risk?
No.
Arjun, you?
No, no.
Uday?
There's some disturbance. Yeah.
No. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So second clue, we go for second clue. I was captain of my country across all formats. I was the captain when my country won its first test match. So if you answer now, 17 points, Ramesh.
I was the captain of my country.
Across all formats, and I was the captain when my team won first test match. Arjun? Arjun? Taking risk. Arjun taking risk. He is going for 17 match. Yeah.
Okay. No.
Nambi? You there?
No.
No.
Okay.
So I'm going for third clue, Ramesh. This is 13 pointer. I took the first hat trick in the history of Caribbean Premier League. I took the first hat trick in the history of Caribbean Premier League.
Caribbean Premier
Take
League.
risk, Askan, Arjun. Go for 13 man. Nambi?
Is it Rashid Khan?
13 points to Nambi.
I wanted to say that, but not confident.
Afghanistan.
So the next set of questions will start with Arjun.
Okay.
Arjun, I have a record of hitting 6 sixes in an over.
Okay.
Taking a risk?
No.
Nambi is planning for 20. He is trying to go ahead of Uday now.
I can think of one obvious name. Everyone will be thinking of that name.
Going in now.
But I don't know.
Can you repeat the question?
I have a record of hitting 6 sixes in an over.
You're not saying which match?
Yeah. Which format?
Which format? No.
Okay, fine. The next clue.
Okay. No.
Okay.
So Nambi, are you trying now?
No.
So 20 points, Nambi.
Yeah, but I think you have kept it twisted, so no.
Yeah.
Uday Shankar.
Same thing. You're not prescribing the question clearly. No format. I will not take this.
Ramesh.
No, not tag. We can wait.
Okay. Arjun, second one.
Okay.
I shared a record of scoring 3 consecutive centuries in 3 innings, which is later surpassed by Sangakkara with 4 consecutive centuries.
No risking. No.
Ramesh was trying to answer.
Garfield Sobers.
Wrong. Minus 17 to. So the first negative pointer. Get the next clues. So we'll go
Okay.
to Arjun for 13 pointer.
Okay.
I am part of a pair with 300 plus test partnerships, which is a record. Part of a pair with 300 plus test partnerships, which is a record. Opening partnership.
Okay. Is it Herschel Gibbs?
Give it to Arjun and he gets 13 points now.
Okay.
So the third clue, the third one, it is straight one for Nambi. So Nambi, you have to risk it now to surpass Uday Shankar.
Okay.
I scored a triple century in MH Chidambaram Stadium. So we are going for second clue now.
Okay.
During the currently concluded IPL, I was part of Kings 11 Punjab. Before that, I think Archie knows the answer.
Anyway, I'll guess Glenn Maxwell.
Minus 17 to you,
Again, so I have nothing to lose anyway.
Arjun.
Virendra Sehwag.
Minus 17 to you as well, Arjun.
Okay, okay.
That's an obvious 300, so I didn't answer that.
Uday Shankar.
No, I'm bad at statistics. I'm passing it off. I don't know the answer.
Ambirajan. Next clue for you. My highest
next clue.
score in first class matches and my highest score in test cricket both involved Tamil Nadu.
What?
My highest score in first class cricket and my highest score in test match both involved Tamil Nadu.
Okay, this is the Karnataka player Karun Nair.
13 points to you, Nambi. Very good.
Oh shit.
The last question,
Yeah.
and this is directly to Uday. Now Nambi is at 36 points, Uday is at 30 points. So Uday has to catch up somehow to surpass Ambiraj. Uday, your question.
Yeah.
I was the captain of the side in 2017 when MS Dhoni and I entered into a partnership. Both of us scored century in the game. I was captain of the side in 2017 when MS Dhoni and I entered into a partnership. Both of us scored century in the game.
No, I'm not taking it.
Nambi?
I have a guess,
Sorry.
but I don't want answers.
Okay, you can hold it. Ramesh, Arjun,
No.
Nambi.
That is an obvious name.
I think you will stay numb.
Yeah. Not answering now.
Okay, second clue. Uday, to you. Our nation won the first World Cup final that we played, but in the second finals under my captaincy, we lost. I repeat the question. Our nation won the first World Cup final we played, but in the second finals under my captaincy, we lost.
Still not taking risks because I'm not clear of the format that you're actually talking about. Okay, I'm not taking risks. No issues.
Ramesh,
No. Not
Arjun.
That is an answer.
No. Yeah.
Arjun is having something, but he's not more negative, it seems.
Yeah.
Nambi, to you.
Can you repeat the clue again?
Our nation won the first World Cup final that we played. The next World Cup final we played under my captaincy, we lost. I think
Pass.
some answer. Pass?
Pass.
Okay, third clue. Uday, I am a right-handed batsman.
Sorry, not taking risk. I have a guess, but I don't want to take risk.
Ramesh,
Go for it, Ramesh. You have nothing to lose. Go for it.
But no, I don't have any idea. That's the problem.
Yeah, say it. It's okay.
he
Say it.
partnership with MS Dhoni, scored a century in that match. They lost the finals that he captained, and he is a right-handed batsman.
Go, say it. Very obvious one.
Yeah, Nambi will answer it.
No. I want to drop down some clue or names that
I know.
Ramesh, are you answering now?
No. I
Arjun,
don't have an idea.
Arjun, come on, answer.
No.
Nambi, come on. Now it's your time.
Is it that very obvious? Are you going to ask that question? Huh?
Nambi, your turn.
Pass.
Pass. And the motivation you thrown on to Ramesh and Arjun. Today, the final clue. You answer this, you are the winner. You pass it and you lose it.
Yeah.
I belong to Sri Lanka.
Mahila Jayavardhana.
And today's winner is Uday Shankar.
Well done, Uday.
Thank you.
So, thank you guys. That was a really nice round of quizzes. Actually, Mahila Jayavardhana captained Asia 11 team.
Yeah.
Africa 11. The team was 5 down by 60 or 70 odd. And Dhoni and Jayavardhana was part of the partnership.
Exactly.
So that was
With the second two of yours, I was able to guess that.
You could have
I did not want to take
lost it
place.
now. You have to end up with 200 rupees voucher.
So you wanted someone to say Virat Kohli and lose some points, right?
So it was nice participate. Nice.
Well done.
All of you.
Cool, good man. Super. Ramanan, some initiative போடுங்க வார ஒரு quiz போடுங்க நான் வந்து join பண்றேன்.
So thanks a lot, guys. We end up with this, and it was nice show. Thanks a lot.